Yeah, don't mind the dirty car. So the part I got in here today is nothing crazy. I think it's pretty cool. It's another interior piece. Now, as you guys see in the title and the thumbnail, I got these carbon fiber paddle shifters. And as you guys can see, it's the SRT style paddle shifters that come in SRTs, Hellcats, Demons. Everything from a 392 SRT and up has these paddle shifters. And I got these from SC Garages. And here's the other paddle shifter. And I'm explaining in a second as to why I took it off. But here's a close-up. See if I can get in this. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, these are the current paddle shifters that come in Scat Packs, RTs, I think SXTs, I'm not 100% sure. But these are like the lower trim level paddle shifters. And the reason I went with these specific paddle shifters is mainly, I know there's other ones that they're just kind of like clip-ons and they're just little extensions. And also there's, I've seen other ones that are like more pointier and they go like all the way right here. I personally feel it doesn't go with the flow of the car, in my opinion. Something that I've tried to go for is just a simple, clean look. This is all one piece right here, and the reason I took off the paddle shifter is because originally I thought I had to take off the steering wheel. And shout out to Knight's Garage, I believe that's his YouTube channel. I'll link the video down below in the description, the one I'm about to talk about. In the video, he upgrades his shifters, and it's not these specific ones, but it's the same style, just not in carbon fiber. And in the video, he's upgrading them, and he demonstrates that you don't need to remove the steering wheel and the airbag, and you can literally in 5 minutes switch out the paddle shifters. That's pretty much all I gotta say. It's a pretty simple install, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. And actually, before I go on, let me go ahead and roll the windows. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see a damn thing. And before I forget, the only tool that you're gonna need for this install is a T7, I don't even know if it'll focus, is a T7 torque bit. I bought a full like 32 piece kit from Harbor Freight for like $6. I'll link that down below as well. I think it was on sale, but a shout out to Harbor Freight, man. They come in clutch so many times. But yeah, this is literally the only tool you're gonna need. So first things first is there's this plastic piece right here. Now you can use like a trim, oh my god, I'm blanking out. You know those little plastic trim remover things? Just use that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna see these two screws right here. These two. You're gonna go ahead and remove those. You might need to move the blinker out the way. It's kind of hard to film and show you, but I've already took off the left screw, right now I'm taking the right screw. And as you're gonna see, this little plastic piece is gonna come right off. Now you don't want to lose that, so don't mind the seats. I spilled the concha. Now that the shifter is exposed, you're gonna pull up on it. So this, you're gonna pull up on it so this comes out of its little hole, as you guys just saw. And then you're gonna twist to the right and up at the same time, and it should just come out. Like I said, don't mind the stain, but what do you guys think? No, this obviously isn't 100%, you know, carbon fiber. I mean, it's heavier because obviously it's more metal, but it's literally just carbon fiber like laid over it. What I'm doing now first is I'm putting this piece right here in first. I'm sliding it in. Now you don't want to use too much force. It shouldn't be that hard. And you're gonna see a little hole where you just push it in. There you go. You want to grab that little black piece with the two screws, and you want to put it in this way. Sorry guys, the screws are just really small and it's really hard to show you guys, but pretty much you put it back on, you make sure that you align the screws, and then you just tighten it down. Just clip that piece back in, and that's it. And so far this is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and just install the other one. Now for this one, I just recommend that you just turn the steering wheel to this side. just because trying to install it on the right side, I feel like it's just gonna be way too much of a pain. Good thing this thing comes with screws because I just lost one. But that's pretty much it. I feel like these carbon fiber paddle shifters go really well with my interior setup, and I feel like once I get my steering wheel, which is probably going to be the last thing I do to the interior. Now let me actually show you guys that the paddle shifters still do work. Too crazy around the block because this is my neighborhood, and like I didn't want to show you guys too much either because like it's my neighborhood. But as you guys can see, I had no problem shifting. I had it was just as responsive as before. But I'm really happy with this install. And before anyone starts complaining about like, oh, you're up-badging, I'm not claiming this is a Hellcat in any way, shape, or form. Before anyone gets a panic attack about it, it's still a scat pack. Relax. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.